A whole heap of Shans out there. And as much as how we're going to look out for him because he's a family member, we have to look out for the others who stay just like Sean.
See me, I pray for Chase. More help that you there. I'm smart. But you are, I don't know about Sean's story, but a Sean him follow. I don't know who Sean follow, but it always starts somewhere.
Sean issue start from him father. But it go back to the importance of the father in the youth them life.
That's why it no matter what the board want to say. The feeder man when name is Mullins, but have to rate him. Because him stand as a father figure to enough of we in other agency, especially me.
You see, as much as all the board see methods as unorthodox, a whole heap of life himself, you know. Me are one of them, so I can't tell you.
Talking about that, you know some not trust that Miranda girl here, especially when she walk over to Mr. Mullins, boy. Hi David, I'm ready for cut my ears for listen to the conversation, you know. Bloop, the man lock off the sound.
And that type part will puzzle me, you know. What she did in there say to him? And now, he might tell us what we need for back off.
Back off? What do you mean? Like, leave the case alone?
Yeah. Because she say she know everything. She come back and tell him everything what we do at Port Royal. And I say she infiltrate Tony.
Maybe she really try to get Tony, because based on what I say, she's a super agent.
Me not trust no super agent who got after the grid for so long.
Because we can easily deal with a double agent and even more. I don't feel like if we just let go this in a boss.
Why whisper? We have to let go that one, yeah. Because I'm gonna watch it like a hawk.
Alright, boss.
Guess that one, yeah, above my pay grade.
Bossy, guess what I want to know? I find out the numbers are farmer.
Farmer?
Oh, the dancer Rasta man?
Him same one. But explain to me, Whisper, how he moved from technological genius / scammer to farmer?
Well, you have to just ask Mr. Mullins.
Mr. Mullins? How Mr. Mullins dropping at this?
Him say him set him up on the farm. And the man said him feel grounded now and close to nature.
Oh, you get all of them information here, Whisper?
Yeah, oh, you have so much information.
Remember say after Sunfest performance, me and him always a link up. I worry by time reason, you know? I'm charging.
Oh, I forget. Because I him getting the props to go over Spanish Town.
Exactly.
Look here, my lass. When you can involve me in a conversation, or I can just go over this to go work out.
Tunan, that's a long story. Bossy, the man farm fully equipped. The man have everything. The man have ground provision. The man have goat. The man have chicken. The man have a hog.
Hog? Numbers no Rasta man.
I know everybody will have locks or Rasta. Him just probably love him pork.
No sir, the man don't eat pork. Can't tell you that. But it's a business where heavy, so him have to dep on the market.
It sound like if an egg in the reg. How much different things numbers though?
Nah, that ain't bossy. It's a different him you see right. It's like him find him later. And I want to tell you, sir, 2 bags of food you carry up plus you have meat different than another bag. You know?
No man. You need to carry a girl on the spot in there.
When I try no say when not leave me now. Cause that name food.
I have to use them up again still. I remember where I'm going.
That sound like a hills and valleys.
Your eyebrow change. I want me.
Surveillance team I say Radcliffe is back at Top Hill. And he was at Miss Jane's bar.
I wonder where King did at that time.
Well, according to what the team say, Miss Jen and King was at the bar.